Hi, we are going to explain on the content that was pets. We include here is dogs, rabbits, and cat. So from my part, I will explain on dogs. I also state here two infection. There was Campylobacter infection, or we can call it as Campylobacteriosis. Next is rabies. So first, Campylobacter infection. It is caused by Campylobacter jejuni. It is a bacteria, and it can be found in the gut of healthy dogs and other mammals. These dogs carry Campylobacteriosis and shedding it into their faces for other animals to contract. Humans can contract the disease if they do not practice proper hygiene when in contact with the infected animal. So, for the human, it needs to take a proper hygienic practice to take care of the dogs, so that it can prevent it from being infected by Campylobacter jejuni. So, this is Campylobacter jejuni in 3D pictures under microscopes. And yes, this infection is rarely occurred as compared to rabies infection. So next is rabies infection. It is caused by rabies virus. It is a virus. The virus will spread to human through bite or scratch from infected animals like dogs, cats, or rabbits. Rabies disease can cause coma and lead to the death. And to prevent it, we need to follow the vaccination requirement for pets uh, in order to prevent rabies. So rabies virus. So this is rabies virus in more detail, the structure itself, and so this is the pathway. This is additional information that I found in Google, and as I want to show here, it will affect our spinal cord and then reach brain, and then it can cause death. So rabies also have an rabies is occur in Malaysia, and it is an outbreak. Um, it's happened in at Sarawak, according to News Straits Time. There's a man. He's 59 years old. Is seventh rabies casualty. So it's actually infect human from by scratch or being bite by the infected animals. So that's all.
Okay, so I'm going to talk about the cat's infection. This is two of the example of the infection from the cat. One of them is toxoplasmosis, which is caused by the Toxoplasma gondii, and Toxoplasma gondii. This is the example of Toxoplasma. The shapes of Toxoplasma is like this. This one, and then the virus is spread. This is Toxoplasma gondii is a virus, and it is spread through the contact with the cat's faces to human by by a lot of vector. For example, like water infected, contaminated water, etc., and etc. with food or soil, and got to the human and get the infection. And then it shows symptoms like a flu-like symptom at the early stage, and then it will expand into it will causes a brain and eye damage in the more chronic symptom, or when it is um, at the late stage. Okay, and then the second one is the cat scratch disease, which is causes by the Bartonella henselae, and this one the human get the infection through the bite or scratches from the cat. This one is the most common one from us, compared to the toxoplasmosis, because of course we are not going to touch the cat faces just like that, but the cat will may scratches us, especially when we are going to touch them. So the scratches, the where the scratches happen, it will cause a swollen, and the lymph node near the scratches area will get swollen. That what when the infection happen. So this is the example of the example of the scratches, the lymph node, swollen lymph node like this. When you get the scratches, the area will get swollen, and this is when this is the other one. Okay, so the shapes of the bacteria is like rod shapes like this is the 3D one, and some of the example this. Okay, so it can get from the cat scratches because from the because the bacteria is contained in the cat's nails, yeah, and that's why we get the infection. So I think that's all from the cat's part. So okay, that's all. Thank you.
The last animals is rabbit. Rabbits can cause dermatophytosis, which is caused by dermatophytes. Dermatophytes is a group of fungi that invade and grow in dead keratin. Dermatophytosis is an infection that are caused by fungal infection caused by the dermatophytes. Fungal skin infection, commonly known as ringworm, they tend to grow outwards from skin, producing a ring-like pattern. It can be transmitted through direct and indirect contact with the infected rabbits. It can cause hair loss and scaly skin to human. This is the examples of pictures when you get infected by the ringworm.